The coil peeler device shall be used when the strip thickness is above 4 mm. Its main function is to open the coil, feed the coil into the leveler through the feeding roll and shovel head device. Pinch and leveler. Feed the strip coming from the coil peeler through the pincher to the leveler. Level the strip head and end to facilitate the connection of two strips. Shear and welder is an important part of the welded pipe production line. Its main function is to weld the strip head and end to ensure continuous production. This machine is composed of upper and lower parts. The lower part is for shearing. The shear is controlled by hydraulic, which is stable and durable. The upper part is for welding. Both sides of the strip are pressed and welded automatically. After welding, the shear and welder will retreat to a safe position. This machine is characterized by simple operation and durable lifespan.
For the convenience of delivery, each parts are packed separately to deliver. Twisting stand. Its function is to turn the strip from horizontal to vertical. Pinching stand. Feed the strip into the accumulator. Central storage. The whole accumulator is driven by it. We will design according to your local frequency and voltage. Material plate and outer circle. We will match the model for you according to your raw material thickness. This is another type of accumulator which is suitable for thin thickness and smaller pipe size. The thickness ranges from 0.4 to 1.2 and pipe size ranging from 6 mm to 25 mm, which is economic with high cost performance.